EN 50305, Abrasion Resistance Test, Railway Cable Insulation and Sheath. Introduction. Hello students, welcome to this video. Today, we're going to learn the abrasion resistance test as per EN 50305 standard. This test is used for railway rolling stock cables to check how well the insulation or sheath resists mechanical rubbing and wear during service. Purpose of the test. The purpose of this test is very simple. We want to find out how many rubbing cycles a cable insulation can withstand before the cutting edge touches the conductor or electrical screen. More cycles means better abrasion resistance. Test conditions. The test is carried out under controlled conditions. Temperature 20 plus or minus 5 degrees Celsius. Test machine similar to the one shown in the EN 50305 diagram. Rubbing frequency 55 plus or minus 5 cycles per minute. Test apparatus. Now let us understand the test setup. The main parts are stroke generator, moves the cutting edge, loading weight, applies force, cutting edge, needle or steel blade, cable specimen fixed on a supporting plate, counter, stops the test automatically. Cutting edge selection. The cutting edge depends on cable diameter. If cable diameter is less than or equal to 6 millimeters, use a steel needle, 0.45 millimeter diameter. If cable diameter is greater than 6 millimeters, use a steel blade. The cutting edge is placed at 90 degrees to the cable. Test specimen preparation. The test specimen is a single cable or core of length 0.75 meters. It is fixed securely on the plate using 2 clamps so that it does not move during pesting. Test procedure. The cutting edge rubs the cable along its length for 10 to 20 millimeters. The machine runs continuously until the cutting edge touches the conductor or electrical screen. At this moment, the counter automatically stops. Number of tests. Each cable specimen is tested 4 times. After every test, the cable is moved 100 millimeters forward and rotated 90 degrees clockwise. Result calculation. The abrasion resistance value is calculated as the average number of cycles from the 4 tests. Higher average cycles indicate better abrasion resistance. Conclusion. This abrasion resistance test ensures that railway cables can withstand mechanical wear during installation and service, improving safety and reliability.